This video is sponsored by Train World, America's discount model train store since 1968.
Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I have officially passed 10,000 subscribers, and I really can't thank you guys enough for the amount of support that all of you have given me. The community that has been built around this channel is absolutely amazing. I have learned so much, and I hope you guys have learned from what I have learned. I didn't expect it to grow this much, and I'm really blown away. These past 2 years have really just been crazy. And not only that, but a lot of my life has changed. Obviously, I've become a father to two beautiful children, twins, boy and a girl. Moved into a new house, started a new layout. I actually started a new job in the middle of all of this. It's really been a crazy 2 years, but it's been a fantastic ride. And now I've got the Etsy store, which is all the noise, if you can hear it behind me. I've got all my printers going right now. It's just been an amazing experience, and you guys are absolutely phenomenal. Don't worry, the channel's not going anywhere. Gonna keep it going. So let's talk about the 10,000 subscriber giveaway first. I'm going to leave the opening for submissions to get into the giveaway open until Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And what I'm gonna do is then give it a week and go ahead and get everything, because there's several hundred entries and it's gonna take me a while. And I do work full-time as well, and everything is crazy right now on my job. So gonna give it a week, and then that Monday, I'm not sure what day that is, 2 Mondays from now, I'm going to do the announcement. I haven't decided if I'm going to do it live or just do a quick drawing and do it that way, but I will let you guys know about that. Now let's talk about some quick channel changes. So a lot of things have been happening recently with this channel, and specifically with stuff that surrounds this channel. One of the big things is the Etsy store. Case in point, my printers are running right now, and it's actually, when I'm shooting this video, it is about 9:30 at night. My printers are running 24/7 to keep up with demand, and I cannot believe you guys and how much support you've thrown behind this Etsy store. I know that it's not all YouTubers, but I know it's a lot of you guys, because you send me messages and I recognize some of your names too. So thank you guys for all of your support. You're keeping me busy here, and but because of that, I do have to sacrifice a few things and make changes to make sure that the Etsy store is good and balanced with the YouTube channel. So right now, I'm gonna put a pause on Train Time Thursdays. I've loved making Train Time Thursdays. They've just been a blast for me. But it's really, really hard right now to crank out 2 videos and do the Etsy store and all of that right now. They're gonna come back, but right now I'm gonna put a pause on Train Time Thursdays and go back to 1 video a week. So that is what I am going to do. And don't worry, channel's not going anywhere. I'm still doing the main tutorials, and that'll allow me to focus more on the tutorials themselves versus having to do that and then run and scramble, which is what it is a lot of times to do a Train Time Thursday. So gonna focus on that. Train Time Thursdays will come back. So that is the big change right now. Plus it's really, really hot in here, and honestly it's very uncomfortable. I live in the southern United States, and it's very, very hot right now in July, so it's really not that pleasant to run a model railroad in a garage. I still love doing it, but it's not, y'all can see the sweat that's coming off, and it's 9:30 at night. So Train Time Thursdays, pause for a little while I catch up on Etsy stuff and get everything running smoothly, because the explosion of demand has been just incredible. So that's the big change that's coming to the channel right now. They'll come back. Don't worry, I know there's some of you guys that love Train Time Thursdays. That's pretty much it right now. Again, submissions for the 10K giveaway, sponsored by Train World, are open until this Sunday night, July 19th, I believe, at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And then you're gonna give me a week to get all the entries together and get ready for the drawing for the giveaway. Again, remember, I'm giving away a locomotive in HO scale and N scale. The HO scale is an Athearn Genesis, and the N scale is a Bachmann. They're both and the Bachmann is a DCC locomotive, and I can't remember if the Athearn one is right now at the moment. But that's what's coming up. You can check out those prices as well as how to enter right up here, as well as in the description below. Thank you guys so much. I'm absolutely blown away. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you're eligible for this. And thank you guys so much. And right now, please stay safe. Please stay safe. I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.